Hi guys, welcome to Class 6 Biology. It's me Nafsia. Chapter 1 Food. Where does it comes from? Look at the picture. Nothing is possible to do any kind of work such as walking, writing, eating, take a shower. Whatever it may be, we need some energy. Then where do we get energy? Energy is obtained only from food. So, food is so precious, should not waste it. Introduction about food. Our food is something that provide us nutrients. Nutrients such as proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates and water. These are the essential nutrients which present in food. Nutrients are substances that provide energy for activity, growth, and all functions of the body, such as breathing, digesting food, and keeping us warm. Materials for the growth and repair of the body, and for keeping the immune system healthy. Let's move on to the varieties of food. There are so many varieties of food which we are following around us. According to the region and according to their food habitat, it may vary. For example, in South India, we are following rice and dal. Why do we need food? We need food because food gives us energy. Food we eat gives our body essential nutrients to help us to grow and heal when we are injured or when we are ill. Thus, food keeps us healthy and provides us essential nutrients to fight against diseases. Now let's see briefly about the major components of food. Energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Carbohydrates and fats are the energy giving food. Sugarcane and potato are the two examples of carbohydrate rich food. Fat. Till and groundnut are the source of example of fat rich food. Then move on to body building food. Proteins are the body building food. Soya bean, peas and egg are the major main example of body building food. Then move on to protective food. Vitamins are the protective food. The best example of vitamin rich food are milk, fish, fruits and vegetables. Look at the flowchart. Major nutrients of food: fats, proteins, minerals, water, roughage, vitamins and carbohydrate. In this slide, let's see briefly about the name of the nutrient and its sources and its main functions. Carbohydrate, energy giving food, rice, potato, wheat, sugarcane. Its main function is to provide us energy. Fats, energy giving food, butter, ghee, milk and cheese. Its function gives more energy compared to carbohydrates. Vitamins and minerals. It's also called as protective food. Its sources, fruits and vegetables, and its functions required for normal growth and development. Proteins is also called as body building food. Milk, eggs, meat, fish and soya bean. Its function is to help in building and repair of body. Then food and its ingredients. A food ingredient is any substance that is added to a food to achieve a desired effect. Some of the example: food item, major ingredient. For example, we need to prepare boiled rice. Raw rice and water are the major ingredient for preparing boiled rice. Then the another example, if we want to prepare chapati means we need flour, atta and oil and salt are the major ingredient to prepare a chapati. Edible parts of the plant. Edible part stems are one of the edible part that are eaten by human. Most plants are made up of stems, roots, leaves, flowers and produce fruit containing seeds. But all those parts are not edible in all kind of plants. For example, flowers such as cauliflower, fruits, apple, leaves, cabbage, roots, carrot, seeds, almond, stems, broccoli. Look at the picture here, edible parts of the plant. Flower, cauliflower, fruits, apple, leaves, cabbage, roots, carrots, seeds, almonds, stems, broccoli. Thank you. Bye.